Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. One of the most asked questions in the last half of 2025 has been, when are the spring retreats for 2026? Today is the day where I make this announcement, and you're going to want to be a part of this. Give me about 5 minutes, and then you're going to want to go to the website to choose one of these two options. These events are amazing and they get better every time. We learn things, we dial it in just a little bit tighter and make it even that much more of an amazing experience, right? In every way. Okay, Camp Lutherhaven. You've heard me talk about Camp Lutherhaven. We are doing that again. If you have been to one of those retreats, or maybe you couldn't attend because of your calendar, maybe this is the year for that. This is nestled right there on beautiful Lake Coeur d'Alene, mountain cabins. This was a Lutheran camp for kiddos, and they let us adult kids use it for quilt retreats, men's retreats, women's retreats, and more. It's beautiful there. It's wonderful. We sew in the chapel, we sew in the welcome center, we sew in the sunset room. Amazing food. And this year we have something special we're adding to that. We always, like I said, add even more things. This time we're having a chartered bus take our entire group from Camp Lutherhaven to the brand new Shabby Fabrics showroom for a private shopping event only available to retreat attendees. This is quickly becoming a destination location. The reviews are saying what customers are experiencing, not only a beautiful array of quilts, but just incredible customer care, one-on-one hugs, cookies, beautiful products, and so much more. So the retreat dates for Camp Lutherhaven are April 12th through the 17th. There is information on our website under the event tab at the very top navigation. Click on events. You're going to be able to see Camp Lutherhaven. And the other thing you're going to be seeing is our next retreat in May, the dates being May 17th through the 22nd at this stunning world-class Coeur d'Alene resort. This is a beautiful building. Building is too generic. It's a masterpiece of a building on the north end of Lake Coeur d'Alene, right there by downtown Sherman Avenue, with all the adorable little shops and all of the flowers and wonderful restaurants. There's trails, there's hiking, biking, swimming, boating. It is truly spectacular. So if you're like, how do I get from Spokane International to the resort? You can call the hotel. They have very reasonable transportation arrangements you can make. The other thing they have is amazing rooms. I have stayed at this hotel. You have a choice between a lake view or a city view. Both are beautiful. Inside the hotel, they have a full spa. So if you want to have a massage, get your nails done, those are things you can book as well on your own, of course, and amazing restaurants. We will also be offering a chartered bus for the same type of shopping event, private just for you. Our team will be waiting for you to welcome you to be able to shop the entire showroom, and it'll be just for retreat attendees. And of course, as we continue through that retreat, there'll be giveaways and the normal tutorials and things that we do, including the pop-up shop, which will occur at both of these retreats. But at the very end of this one, this is very special, we have chartered some boats. It'll be a gourmet meal while we cruise across Lake Coeur d'Alene at night. Absolutely stunning way to finish off that retreat. Now at that retreat, because we have so many amazing restaurants in town, we'll be serving you lunch, but you'll have the opportunity to dine at whatever restaurant you want for breakfast and for dinner. And some people don't even want 3 meals a day. So head to the Shabby Fabrics website. The day to sign up for this retreat, and you're going to want to put this in your calendar right now, is January 2nd at 10 a.m. Pacific. Okay, if you are on Mountain Time, that's 11 a.m. your time. If you're on Central Time, that's 12 o'clock your time. And if you're on Eastern Time, that is 1 o'clock your time. We think these are going to fly. As a reminder, if you are flying, we do have Bernina 475 rentals available. They're an amazing sewing machine, but we have limited amounts of that. So I encourage you to get signed up for whichever one of these speaks to you. Tammy and I will be with you throughout both of these retreats. Now, we will send out reminders letting you know, don't forget, sign-ups in 2 days, sign-ups in 3 days. The fastest way, and we all know this, is by text. So head to the Shabby Fabrics website right now. At the very top where it says subscribe, click that. Maybe you're already subscribed, but it never hurts to do it again. Don't worry, we won't text you twice. But get signed up for both email and text. That way you're the first to know and be reminded about these very important dates, because again, we think this will happen very quickly. And as a reminder, on that date, you will go again to the Shabby Fabrics website, click on the event tab, registration will open precisely at 10 a.m. Pacific, and you'll be able to get signed up. So which one is it? Which one are we going to see you at? All I know is we're going to have an amazing time in both, and we can't wait to meet you there.